I didn't expect to find the future while walking through a mall, or riding a tram, or using a toilet, but I did. And it wasn't in some high-tech lab in Silicon Valley. It was in the everyday experiences of 5 countries: Finland, London, Paris, Scotland, and Switzerland. The future isn't coming, it's already here. In this video, I'll show you how real-life tech is shaping everyday life, without flying cars or robots taking over. Just clean systems, silent tech, and smart design. So, buckle up. We're about to take a trip through the world, as seen through the eyes of someone who's found the future hiding in plain sight. Let's go. Our first stop is Finland, a country known for its pristine nature and, surprisingly, its robots. Yes, robots, but not the kind you see in movies. These robots clean shopping mall floors not to replace humans, but to make their jobs easier. One thing that struck me about Finland is the silence. Public transport, from trams to trains, is incredibly quiet. You can actually hear yourself think. Even announcements are minimal, respecting the peace. And speaking of public transport, Finland's got this figured out. One pass, one tap, and you can travel anywhere in the city. No fumbling for tickets, no confusion, just seamless integrated tech. But the real magic of Finland lies in how technology blends into the background. It's not flashy or intrusive. It's there to make life easier and more enjoyable. Finland shows us that tech doesn't have to shout to be effective. It can be quiet, efficient, and still revolutionary. Next up, we're heading to a city that never sleeps: London. London, a city buzzing with energy, history, and technology. Unlike Finland's subtle approach, London's tech feels more present. Forget paper tickets on the tube. Here it's all about contactless payments. A quick tap and you're through. The London Underground, affectionately known as the Tube, is a testament to how tech can tame chaos. Despite carrying millions daily, it's surprisingly efficient. But London's tech isn't just about transport. Walk down any street and you'll find interactive screens, free Wi-Fi hotspots, and even smart benches that monitor air quality. London taught me that tech can be both grand and granular. It's about solving age-old problems and pushing boundaries. Now, let's hop across the channel to Paris, where technology takes on a distinctly French flavor. Paris, the city of lights, has always been at the forefront of art, culture, and style. And now it's adding technology to that list. But this isn't called impersonal tech. This is tech with a French twist, elegant, stylish, and surprisingly human. Imagine walking into a cafe and being greeted by a robot barista. That's a reality in Paris. These robotic arms whip up perfect espressos, adding futuristic charm to cafe culture. Even the restrooms in Paris are getting a tech upgrade with self-cleaning toilets. But what truly sets Paris apart is how it integrates tech into its iconic architecture. Automated metro lines glide silently beneath the streets, while electric car charging stations blend into the landscape. Paris shows us that tech doesn't have to clash with beauty and tradition. It can enhance it, elevate it, and make it more sustainable. Now let's head to Switzerland, where technology works with quiet precision. Switzerland, a land of breathtaking mountains, pristine lakes, and precision engineering. Here, tech is about efficiency, reliability, and quiet confidence. Swiss trains are legendary for their punctuality. But it's not just about being on time, it's about the entire experience. Clean carriages, panoramic windows, and a sense of calm define the journey. Even the trams glide along with an almost eerie silence. It's this seamless integration of tech that makes life here so frictionless. Swiss tech isn't just about transportation. From smart waste management to energy efficient buildings, Switzerland constantly seeks ways to improve livability. Switzerland taught me that tech isn't about reinventing the wheel. It's about making the wheel turn smoother, quieter, and more reliably. Our final stop takes us to Scotland, where technology bridges the gap between urban and rural life. Scotland, a country known for its rugged landscapes, ancient castles, and its embrace of technology. But this isn't just about bringing gadgets to the highlands, it's about using tech to connect communities and improve rural life. Even in small towns, you will find contactless payment systems on buses, making transport accessible. Scotland is also pioneering smart waste bins that optimize collection routes, reducing costs and environmental impact. One of the most impressive examples is AI-powered scheduling for healthcare professionals in remote areas. This ensures even isolated communities have access to quality care. Scotland proves that tech isn't just for big cities. It can empower rural communities and enhance quality of life for everyone. From Finland's silent efficiency to London's seamless integration, Paris's artistic flair, Switzerland's quiet precision, and Scotland's connected communities, I've seen how tech is shaping the future. Across all 5 countries, tech isn't celebrated, it's normalized. It's invisible, human, and reliable. It's not about flying cars and robots, but about making life better and more connected. Do you think India is ready for this kind of future? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more real-world tech stories from across the globe. The future isn't sci-fi anymore, it's here, and we're walking through it every day.